Hello everyone, I hope you guys are doing well. In today's video, we're going to discuss different types of logos. So let's get started. Before we start, I request you to watch my previous video if you haven't already. In that video, we are discussing different characteristics of logos. That video might help you to understand today's video a little better. The first type of a logo that we will be discussing today is the emblem logo. These logos were very famous in the past. When I talk about past, I mean history. When it comes to the visual part, it has a shape like a shield or a badge which is followed by a very detailed picture and some text like the name of the company or the dates, etc. These logos are very intricate, which makes it less versatile and even difficult to remember. But it doesn't mean that you can't use this logo type. By giving it a modern touch, you can still use it. For example, Harley Davidson. Basically, companies which has some history to it usually prefer such logos. The second type of a logo is the mascot logo. These are well detailed, illustrated, kind of cartoonish characters which represents a mascot of that particular brand or industry. They are mostly fun and happy and used by famous food and beverage industries. But there are some exceptions like Michelin tires and other companies. Similar to emblem logos, they are not always simple and can create an issue while scaling. But usually they are memorable as they have that distinct character to it. Pictorial mark is the third type of a logo we will be discussing. If you look around nowadays, this is the most commonly used type of a logo. The whole point of this type of a logo is that the brand should be recognizable just with the icon or the logo mark itself. You don't necessarily always have to write the name of the brand next to it. Though this logo checks most of the boxes of a well-designed logo, you need to be very careful when it comes to designing a pictorial mark logo, as simple logos are usually most difficult to make. Similar to pictorial mark, an abstract mark uses a shape or a silhouette, but instead of using a recognizable one, it uses an abstract form. Abstract mark usually gives a brand very modern and minimal look. But similar to pictorial mark, it's very difficult to make and convey the right message to a target user with just one abstract image. A word mark is a font-based logo in which the company name is used as the logo. Companies use this type of a logo when the name of the company or the pronunciation of it is catchy or unusual. In this type of a logo, the typography really matters. Selecting a very serious font for a fun or dynamic company may not work. Similarly, using a Comic Sans font for an automotive company which makes off-road vehicles would be a big disaster. Lettermark logos are similar to wordmark logos, but instead of using the entire name, they use brand initials or abbreviations of the company. This is mostly done when the company name is too long, and similar to wordmark, having an unique typography really helps users to recognize or remember your brand better. The last and my favorite type of logo is the combination mark. This is basically a combination of all the above logo types. These are my most favorite because it's the most versatile logo type. You can either use the logo mark or the word mark or both based on your need or application. It may also be expanded into a responsive logo where you have multiple logo options for a brand which basically acts as a family of a logo. For example, like this. I created this logo for one of the most famous Indian YouTuber, Be Unique. You can watch that video if you are interested. I'll leave it in the I button up top. That's it for today's video, guys. I hope you liked today's content. If you do, don't forget to click on that like button and do share it with your friends and family whom you think might be interested in this video. Also, please subscribe to my channel because I have some awesome videos coming in the future. I'll see you next week. Till then, be safe and take care.